Have you ever wondered how to use H2O AI in less than a week? Intriguing, isn't it? A powerful machine learning platform that you can grasp and start using in just a few days. So buckle up and prepare to dive into an enriching journey through the world of H2O AI. The first step on this journey is the installation of H2O AI and its required dependencies. Now, this might sound intimidating, but in reality, it is a straightforward task. You just need to navigate to the official H2O AI website, download the latest stable version of the software, and install it on your local machine. Don't forget to also install Java, as it's a necessary dependency for H2O AI to run smoothly. Now that the setup is complete, it's time to move to step 2. Understanding the basics of building and training models in H2O AI. This involves familiarizing yourself with the platform's interface and learning about the different types of models you can build. Whether it's a simple linear regression model or a complex deep learning model, H2O AI has got you covered. Next up is step 3, creating a simple machine learning model. This is where you start putting your newly acquired knowledge to practical use. Start by choosing a simple problem like predicting house prices based on various factors. Use H2O AI's intuitive interface to define your model's structure, input your data, and set the parameters. Once your model is ready, it's time for step 4, training the model using sample data. This is a crucial step in the machine learning process, as this is where your model learns to make accurate predictions. Feed your model with the sample data and let it learn the patterns and relationships between various factors. After training comes step 5, evaluating the model's performance and identifying areas for improvement. H2O AI provides a comprehensive suite of evaluation metrics that you can use to assess your model's accuracy, precision, recall, and more. Use these metrics to identify where your model is doing well and where it needs improvement. Last but not least, step 6 involves utilizing H2O's AutoML functionality for more complex tasks. This feature allows you to automate the process of training and tuning a large number of models. Just specify the type of problem, the dataset, and the maximum runtime, and H2O's AutoML will do the rest. So, in a nutshell, using H2O AI in less than a week involves installing the software, understanding the basics of building and training models, creating and training a simple model, evaluating its performance, and finally utilizing AutoML for more complex tasks. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your journey with H2O AI. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and make the most of this powerful machine learning platform.